at least for important things, so that where your money is going, you are defining the direction for your money. That's why I have budget plan. Control your expenses. Track your expenses. Very, very important. Track your expenses. I hope you people are doing that activity, right?
Yes, sir.
You people are doing
Sir.
that activity, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Track your expenses. At least one expense every day you require to track. At least one expense every day you require to track. So that where your money is going, you have to be aware. So that you will get the idea. Can I reduce so-and-so cost? Can I reduce so-and-so cost? Like you will get some idea. Have you observed, right? One person is telling, sir, just if I stop chai, 2,000 to 3,000 rupees per month I can save. Another person is telling unnecessary diesel kind of thing in the village only. Just if I travel by bicycle, then my health is going to be improved, my money is going to be saved. Like so, small things better to save. Okay, if it is not going to affect your growth, because at the end time is also most important. Remember that balance you require to maintain. Unnecessary for the name's sake, for the money's sake, don't waste your valuable time. Okay, so in your 90% only, don't try to save 90%. I want to save. Durga Sir told that 90%. So at least 10%, 90% I want to save. Then in 10% only I want to leave. Okay, with very horrible situations, like don't do that. At least a 10% is enough. 90% happily you can enjoy. Okay.